Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Abdullah and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are discovering Dog-G tool in Photoshop. This tool is used to lighten the areas in the image and give the smoothness in the photos. Let's jump to the video. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest and amazing updates. Let's jump to the screen and use of Dog-G tool.
First of all, open your Adobe Photoshop. And now click on create and I import this picture for this tool. Now go here and you can see here this tool. The shortcut form is O. When you press O, you definitely select this option. Now right click on this and choose the hardness from here and the size what you need. Look at careful on the dog. The color of dog is now whitened. You can white the color of everything. You can also white the color of your own picture. This tool is used to white the color of every picture. If you go on another sample, this picture, now you see on the boy, on the hand, now you can see here the hand color is now white, like this. You can also polish the image with this, just like that. Look at in the sky. For that you can increase the size of the brush easily, just like that. The image is now very darker. Just like that. You can also draw the rectangles. The new tool we are discovering in this video is a rectangle tool. The shortcut form of rectangle tool is U. You can draw rectangles with it and change the color of rectangles from here. If I need red color, then I would choose the red color and draw the rectangular. Double click on this color and choose the color what you want. If you long press on this, you can able to draw more shapes from here, like round, circle and ellipse tool, just like that. Click here and you can also add text in this box. Choose the color white, click on OK and change your text whatever you want. Press enter and also press Ctrl plus T and just like that. You can also add text and more shapes from here. So that's in the today's video. We will meet in the next video tomorrow.